The next topic will be principle of homogeneity, which is an essential requirement for the concept of dimensional analysis. You all know homogeneous. Homogeneous means same. Principle of homogeneity states that dimensions of each term in a physical equation, physical equation means formula, physical formula, is same. That is, dimensions of each term on one side, that is left hand side or right hand side, one side is equals to dimensions of each term on the other side. It can be concluded from this principle that like terms can be added or subtracted. If you are adding, say for example, I am taking force. Force is equals to A plus B. That means dimension of A is also dimension of force and dimension of B is also dimension of force. So, A and B also signifies that A is a force and B is also a force. This is principle of homogeneity. Similarly, if I am subtracting, say for example, volume is x minus b. So, what is x? X here signifies volume, because this is also volume. Dimension of this term is equals to dimension of this term and dimension of this term also is equals to dimension of this term. This is also volume. So, principle of homogeneity says that dimensions of each term, what is meant by term? Term means physical quantity is added or subtracted with a plus sign or minus sign. If it is added with if the two physical quantities are joined with a plus sign, then it is, these are two terms A and B. Here again these are two terms, but in this case P is equals to M into V. This is only one term. This is considered as only one term, but if it is added with some quantity, say for example x, then this x is another term, mv is another term. Separately both will have the dimension of momentum. This is principle of homogeneity. Now we will discuss about the applications of dimensions. One application you have already learnt, how to find the units of derived physical quantities. So we will discuss now. There are three applications required for getting the concept of dimensional analysis. So first application I am discussing here, applications of dimensions. Today we will limit ourselves to this application only. First application, this is to check the correctness of given physical equation or formula, to check the correctness of given physical equation or formula. This is the first application we are going to discuss now. Here I am starting with an example. What I am going to do, you have to follow that and accordingly you will solve the problem. I am giving you an equation. Taking an example, E is equals to m by c square. This is a equation given to you. You have to check whether this equation is correct or not. How you will start with? There are two sides of this formula, that is left hand side and right hand side. So dimensions, I have to check whether this equation is correct or not. We have to use principle of homogeneity here. Dimensions of left hand side, that is dimension of E. What is E? E is energy. Energy is having dimension of work, that is ml square T minus 2. This is the dimension of energy. I am writing it as equation number 1. Now, dimensions of right hand side, again these are divided, it is a single term. If I am adding something, then it will be 2 terms or 3 terms. Dimensions of right hand side, that is dimension of m by c square. So here m is mass, c is velocity of light, Lt minus 1 and whole square. So this is ml minus 2 and this is T power 2. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2 you can see the dimension of left hand side is ml square T minus 2 and here dimension of right hand side is ml minus 2 and T power 2. So by principle of this you have to write all, by principle of homogeneity, dimensions of left hand side is not equals to dimensions of right hand side. Therefore, equation is incorrect. Here you can also write from equation 1 and 2. This is how you will check the correctness of given physical equation. In the dimension, given physical equation can be correct, but that is not true for all the formulas in physics. Physical formula can be different, but dimensionally they can be proved that they are correct. So we have to check the correctness of given physical equation. Whatever equation is given, you have to check like this only. First you have to find the dimension of left hand side, then you have to go for dimension of right hand side. Check whether the dimensions are same or not. If they are same, then this is by principle of homogeneity, they are correct. If they are different, then this is incorrect equation. This is all for the day. Now there are 2 questions for the attendance. Question number 1, you have to answer that in Google form. Question number 1, find the dimension of specific latent heat. You have to write the answer only. Then question number 2, find the dimension of refractive index This is what you have to fill in Google form for your attendance. Thank you.